This is the Cincinnati Art Museum, and in the northern corner of their parking lot is a 450-foot adventure. Hey everyone, it's Cashew. Today's adventure brings us to Cincinnati, Ohio, to Eden Park, and we're going to do the art climb. It's a 450-foot climb up the steps from Gilbert Avenue to the parking lot of Cincinnati Art Museum. And they've combined works. There's 3 sculptures here. 2 come from Pyramid Hill Sculpture Park, and 1 is from Cincinnati Art Museum's collection. So let's go take a look. Our adventure starts here. I parked in the Cincinnati Art Museum's parking lot, and I'm going to walk down to Gilbert Avenue and make my way up and show you the sculptures. But before I do, this is the old Baldwin building, and they used to make the Baldwin pianos there. Before we begin our adventure, I wanted to show you the beautiful sunset through the trees. This is Gilbert Avenue, and this is the first sculpture here at the bottom. Okay, let's go climb. About a third of the way up, they have tables and benches if you want to have a picnic or take your lunch. Of course, right now it is way too cold. Let's keep going. I'm about halfway up, and the view is beautiful. We're almost to the top, and we arrived to our second sculpture. And in the description box down below, I'll have names of the artwork as well as the sculptors. Let's keep going. And we've made it to the top. And here is our third and final sculpture. That was a lot of fun, but if you expect to see a lot of sculptures, you'll be disappointed. There are only 3, and it's relatively new, so I don't know if they're going to add more sculptures or they're going to rotate some out and put new in. Only time will tell. One thing I will tell you, as you do the climb, the design has a sculptural quality of its own. So I think you'll like it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And be sure to share it on your social media. So until next time, everyone, this is Cashew, signing off.